What's up, fam? This is KL Crypto Show. Back with you guys the new video. If you guys in my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so when the new video come out every day, you guys gonna get it. I want to thank you, my subscriber. Because of you guys, I continue do the YouTube video. I want to entertain you guys, and also like grow my YouTube channel so it's information and entertainment at the same time. So today I'm gonna talk about topic like how to make money online, and this simple tip will make you guys like $350 per day. And but you guys still have to put on the work, and in my YouTube video I want to be short and straight to the point, but at the same time have fun, help you guys grab the information. So let's get started. So as you guys know about the freelancer world nowadays, right? It's really huge. So today I'm gonna talk about these three websites: freelancer.com, fiverr.com, and Upwork. So why the reason I talk about the website? Because the website quite popular, but at the same time a lot of people didn't know about this website too. So first, right, so you gonna leverage the website to make money, so freelancer.com, right? As you guys see, it's like the where the play like the freelancer, or the person, like freelancer try to find a job, and then the person who posts the job to like to find the freelancer to work for them, by the like the low cost and everything, like maybe the expertise, so on and so on. So you gonna see at freelancer with this website, you guys want to be the freelancer, like you want to be the one who work for the people who post the job. So you're gonna get, I'm gonna explain later, not like you guys work or anything, but I'm gonna explain later. So you guys gonna go to the browse job. So over here, right, they gonna have a lot of job. You see that? Like so a lot of job over here, and you can see it. So you see that they have average bid for the job, right? So some job be about 30 to like $250. So you can see it like a lot of job. This is the job posted by somebody else, and you guys want to find it and narrow it down what you guys want. So they have like the but this one you guys want to find the highest because you guys want to earn more in here. So and I'm gonna give, so you guys, and then you guys gonna go to Fiverr. So fiverr.com, this is the website. I'm sorry, I would like take a look, and let's back to freelancer a little bit. So I'm gonna back to the main website of freelancer. So it's over here. You guys bear with me a little bit. It's gonna be really easy to when I make it straight. So you can see at the bottom of the freelancer.com, right, they have browse top job categories. So this is the difference, like way of doing it. You see that? Like different job posts, like about like video, copywriting, SEO, article writing, website designer, Photoshop, like so on and so on. And then you go to freelancer, right? For example, the most easy like video editing, right? So you guys click, like say click on the browse, browser job, and then you see it, and then you guys gonna put it, video editing, and search. So they have like a lot of them, like some of them be like video shooting, and they like about $428. Like teach me advanced video editing technique, video editing about, like a lot of job bit, like video editing $264 either average bitch for the video, right? So you can see it. So it like in Canada, so at about to 750, it's gonna be about 500, more than $500 in US. Yeah, you still have to see the rate they're gonna train it back to you, like exchange it back, and you do the beat, for the job, right? And then you go to the freelancer. Man, freelancer, you guys, no, sorry, Fiverr. And then you guys tap it in video editing. In Fiverr, you guys gonna be the one who pick the gig. Like that means somebody gonna do it for you guys, and you guys pay it for them. And all you have to do is like, see on the detail like this, make a copy in freelancer about the job description, and like post it on Fiverr. So you see that this guy, I will do expert video editing for like just $10. And if you bid for the job about like, $400, right? $400, you got, like you got about like, more than $300 already, just one gig. And this guy gonna deliver it for 3 days. And on Fiverr, see, that's the way you leverage it. And as you guys see, it's not that bad, continue. All you guys have to be registered for the account in the, like freelancer and Fiverr.com. And another website like huge, like like big, like freelancer too, so you guys can see the job post and use the Fiverr is the website. Usually it like the decent, like the decent gig is gonna be like $5, $10, sometimes it's $50. But compared to the big gig in freelancer and Upwork, if you guys leverage it, you guys can get the, like the profit like easy. Just copy and somebody gonna do it, and then you post the job to the other gig. So that's how you guys make money. It still have to be hustle. And like I say, like also like you see freelancer Upwork over here, right? This is the website of Upwork. I think most of you guys know it. It's the same like freelancer, but I think they both like big, big job posting in freelancer world. So you go to Upwork and then you go to job, because you want to find a job in Upwork. So that means the people who gonna help you to do the work gonna be the people from Fiverr, and then you post it around for Upwork and freelancer, to beat it and then get the profit. That just easy it is. So but I think I love it to talk about this, because why don't get easy money when like when you can, man. So you find job, and then for example you find video editing. It's just simple, guys, like voice over, video editing, anime. You see that some people do it like 10 10 hour a week. So Upwork a little bit more like they have more specific detail than freelancer, but like you see, it's like $140 already. It works like 10-20 bucks over there, and then you profit about more than $100 with the gig, like something like you still have to like pick your price. Normally you see that something like $800. Yeah. And in Fiverr, actually, when you create an account, you can deal with the more you become their long customer, they gonna work for you and they gonna be delivery for you faster. And you can deal with the price, like you can like contact them and say like, hey, I have couple gig like this, can you do it for me like earlier, and how would the price if like I want the like the quality improve, so to get like you pay more a little bit for Fiverr but a high quality, so you win the bid, and then the gig in freelancer and Upwork like better. So guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Man, just leverage this, make money, and like I say, I post video every day. Just tune in, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check the description link below. I'm gonna have the like the video course coming soon, and like show you guys like like a little bit about like training, how to make money, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Thank you.